What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. I do these trades just to journal my trades. I also do these trades to help you guys out in the market. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all know what we do every day. We're gonna wait on our levels to break. We do see a little downside early in the market, but we don't want to be focused on one side. If the market goes up or down, we'll trade either side, whichever way the market wants to go today. So markets should be about to open in about 4 seconds. All right, market just opened. So we want to watch our open range breakouts. We want to see if we can find us a move. But we probably gonna wait out 15 minutes. It is Friday, so 0 DTE contracts. If you want to be cautious, you can play next week's contracts, but it is 0 DTE, so y'all be cautious. Y'all be very cautious. 0 DTE contracts move way faster. And you can lose money real quick. What it do, Eric? Good morning. Good morning in the chat. What it do? Y'all here early. Okay. Y'all here early. Let's go. We've had an all green week. We've had an all green week, folks. We've had an all green week. I haven't missed all week, so let's see what we can get into today. What it do, Mason? Good morning. Good morning. What it do, Maxo? Good morning. Garbear, what it do? What it do? Early birds get that paper. Oh yeah. All right. So it look like we're moving toward the downside a little bit. Amazon, big move. Meta. Okay. Got a lot of pressure towards the downside right now. But we still want to wait on our ORB levels to hit. All right, let me get my chart right quick. Look like SPY is pulling back right at that low of yesterday and pre-market low. I like this pullback, but we still gonna god damn. Okay. We moving. I am on a 2-minute chart, guys. I am on a 2-minute chart. My boy D Brown in this bit. Rise and grind, my boy. Oh yeah. What it do? Good morning. All right, so yeah, man, we moving toward the downside right now. We want to wait for our open range breakouts to break. I like how SPY is losing this weekly level right here, this 584. My boy D Brown up in here. Hell yeah. And we get this money every day. Every day, baby. All right, so we are on a 2-minute chart. I do use the 2-minute chart the first 30 minutes of the market. 10 a.m. is when I go to the 5-minute chart. This is just how I trade. You ain't got to trade how I trade. And quote of the day, good morning. What it do? Everybody up in here on Friday. Let's go, baby. Like I said, 0 DTE contracts today. 0 DTE contracts You don't have to trade zero DTE contracts. I do trade zero DTE contracts. I don't care, and all it is 0 days to expiration. So most contracts that you buy are going to end today unless you buy next week's. So look like spot breaking out early. Let's see what happens though. It's 9:34 on the clock. Let's see, AMD, Nvidia, Amazon. Apple just got rejected from its lows. Just because you see red, guys, don't mean you got to jump in. Trust me, I know. Let the market do its thing. We're going to wait our first 15 minutes. Wait for our ORB levels to hit. And we'll find a pullback and get in. Same thing we've been doing all week, guys. Tesla jerking off for 273. All right. So it looked like a quick little fake out. I know a lot of people probably jumping in puts thinking the market's going to go down. Gotta let it fizzle out, especially on a Friday. Gotta let the market do its thing. We can only trade what the market presents to us. Yeah, so we went down real aggressive. Now we're coming back up. Garberry, after the trading dust settles, I've got a crazy trading story from yesterday. Someone I know. Yeah. We'll talk about that. All right, so it looked like we bottomed out, bounced, and reversed a little bit. Not a bad thing. The market does need some bulls in the market, man. We've been bearish all week. We've been pretty bearish all week, man. Got 9:36 on the clock. See, back in my my rookie days, I would have jumped in a put right there when I seen all that red. I would have been stopped out. You see what I'm talking about? I don't trade reversals. I wait for the trend. So you could have got in at that bottom right there, but I ain't that aggressive today. It's Friday. I ain't trying to lose no money. Y'all know how we doing. But let's see if SPY goes up and retests this 585. We haven't been down on these levels in a minute. We was right around 590, 595 for a while. We haven't been down this far in a minute, so let's see if we get rejected. SPY still had that trend line from yesterday that we bounced off of. Right, so let's see what SPY wants to do. Looks like it's respecting that 585 level, 584 weekly level. That purple level, right? That's just a weekly level. That's all that is right there. So SPY's respecting it. Let's see what happens right here. Nice little range forming. Still 9:38 on the clock. So in market open, when you're trading the ORB, you want the range to be kind of tight. If you have a big range on the ORB, the open range breakout, it's kind of gonna be hard to trade unless you are already at the top or the bottom of the breakout already. You don't want a wide range. If y'all just not coming in, hit that like for me. It's Friday. The first of the month, y'all know we got to pay them bills, baby. We got to pay them bills, baby. We've had an all green week. We want to keep it up. Make sure y'all manage your risk this today on Friday. Make sure you manage your risk. You don't want to blow your account up today. I'm telling you, you're gonna have a long weekend. Trust me, I've had long weekends. It was Friday. I was like, all right, got to get this money before Monday. We got a whole weekend. I need to get this money right now. You don't want to do it like that. If you had a red week, chill. Don't take a big entry. We got all of March to trade. We got all of March. So it looked like we went up. We pulling back right here at open price level. So look like we pretty strong. Let's see if we respect pre-market low and yesterday's low on SPY and QQQ. If we respect those levels, that will let me know that we are bullish in the market. But let's see what happens. We got one wick off of that level right here. Yeah, we wicking off. So we're pretty strong in the market. The bulls are in the market. See what happens here. AMD just reversed. NVIDIA just reversed. If y'all see me looking around, I do have, we got a big reversal. Okay. Big reversal. You see me looking around, I'm just looking at different screens. I have like a 15-minute chart pulled up over here. I have a 1-hour chart pulled up over here. So if y'all see me looking around, I'm just getting us right for the play, man. Getting us right for the play. It's Friday. Y'all tune in. We do this Monday through Friday. Anytime the stock market open, I'm open. We day trade every morning. 9:41 on the clock. A couple more minutes till we can check our ORB levels. See, we just went up, came back down, went up, came back down. Still in a little range right now. No trades available. You don't see no trend, don't jump in. The trend is your friend. Remember that. And when we break these ranges, you'll really see how the trend is your friend. Big rejection on Tesla, big rejection on SPY. Okay, we wicking off. Yeah, so if we hold these lows right here, this 584 and that pre-market low, if we hold these lows and get back above, SPY might be pretty strong. Let's see what happens. All right, there we go. Big wick on Tesla. Okay. Nice little range right here. Nice little range. So anything that range is too long, or anything that ranges for a long period of time, the breakout is always going to be very strong. So you kind of wanted the range and wait for the breakout. Look at Tesla breaking pre-market. Yesterday's low. Let's see if it respects yesterday's low. That's that red solid line right here. If you see a red solid line, that's yesterday's low. If you see a red dash line, that's pre-market low. And if you see green, it's pre-market high and pre-market high and yesterday's high. You always want to mark those 4 levels on your chart. Pre-market low, pre-market high. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Those are going to be critical levels. All right, 9:44 on the clock. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see. All right, I like this SPY and QQQ. Tesla, we need a pullback on Tesla. Let's see what happens here. Damn, I can take that Tesla right there if I wanted to. But let's see what happens right here. All right, we pulling back. I'll let it pull back. So Apple calls. I'm watching. That Tesla looking good, boy. Shit. But SPY and QQQ still getting rejected. We're gonna wait on SPY and QQQ. NVIDIA very strong. NVIDIA look like it's about to break out a little bit. We're just gonna let SPY test these levels right here. So if it sit in this range, you won't see me getting no trade. If it sit in that range, I won't get in no trade. I like this Tesla though. Let's see if Tesla can get up above. SPY still getting knocked down. SPY towards the upside and QQQ towards the upside. That's what I'm watching right now. But we need to break this ORB level. We need to break it. I will load Tesla calls though. SPY still getting rejected. I don't like that. I'm gonna load Tesla calls. I'll load Tesla 287.5 calls. But SPY is getting rejected, so just hold off. I'm not in any play yet. I'm just loading it. I'm not in any play yet. Let's see what happens right here. All right, there goes Tesla. See if we can get up above ORB. I got Tesla calls loaded up, guys. Tesla calls loaded. Let's see what happens right here. We need to break ORB. All right, I'm gonna take my first entry on Tesla. This is a light entry on Tesla calls. First entry. I'm just in light on Tesla calls right now. If we retest this ORB, I will add. Stop loss is this candle right before this candle that just closed. That's my stop loss. If we get stopped out, we just get stopped out. That's why I'm in light right now. I'm in light as hell. I'm not in full size right now. Just getting some exposure right now. I'm up 5% on my first entry. But you see how SPY keeps getting rejected? I don't like that right there. It's still getting rejected. SPY and QQQ getting rejected. But we still holding over here on Tesla though. I mean, I'm only in my first. All right, let's see what happened right here. We closed up above. We'll let it retest. Stop loss is still the same. Stop loss is behind this counter right here. I'm only down 3% right now. Let's see what Tesla does up above this ORB. All right. 9:50 on the clock. Going back down a little bit. Let's see what happens. Only down 3% on my starters. I'm in starter position right now. Not heavy at all. The only reason I get in starter position because I still haven't had full confirmation. We've passed the ORB, but I need full confirmation. Here's the confirmation right here. All right. I will add right here. I just added. Now let's see what happens. There we go. Textbook entries, man. Let's see if we can push off of here. We can push off of here. It's going to go crazy. Let's go, Tesla. We up 6%. Might pull back a little bit. Let it pull back. All right, now we close above. My stop loss is ORB level. This pink ORB level, 283.5. That is my stop loss on my contracts. Pulling back a little bit. We down 3%. Tesla don't want to give me a push this morning. Still going back down. Let's see what happens. Only down 7%. Damn, this price action ain't moving. We might be in a chop zone. It's all right, though. We up above ORB, though. We stand with our game plan. All right, we back in the money. We back break even right now. So if you don't like this play, you can exit. Don't say I ain't tell you. If you don't like this play, you can exit. We back break even right now. 25 seconds on this candle. It's 9:53 on the clock. Stop loss is below this ORB right here. If we break below, I will exit. SPY's wicking off a little bit. We need SPY to give us a push, though. Down 8% right now. Damn, we need a push. Come on, give me 15%. I'll scalp it real quick. We coming back down, man. Let's see. Sitting at my stop right now. I'm down 11%. Let me see if we wick off right here. If not, I'll exit. Let's see if we wick off. Still holding. Damn, come on, Tesla. Shit, Tesla breaking back down. All right, I'm out. I'm out of Tesla, guys. Shit. I'll take another entry if we can get back up above ORB. We just got faked out by ORB. That's all. Fuck. We're probably gonna be in fucking range today. See how we went back up, came back down. Now you can't go in bears right now. Bulls. Fuck. All right, we close back below. Let's see what happens. 11% loss on that Tesla call. $281, 277. All right, let's see what happens right here. Damn, Tesla. All right, you don't have to take this entry, but I just lightly got in Tesla puts. God damn it. Got caught in the damn range. It's all good though. I'm sitting at break even on Tesla puts right now. So the only reason I got in Tesla puts is because we went up, rejected ORB level. So it's telling me that the trend is not bullish. We up 5% right now on Tesla puts. It's basically just telling me that we rejected the ORB highs. So it's telling me that the bears are in the market. There we go, right there. I'm up 6% right now. See if we can lose this. It's very aggressive. I'm trading in the range right now, but hey, y'all know it happens. No one most keep playing the trend. Oh yeah, you already know. I'm up 10% on Tesla puts though. 10% on Tesla puts. I'm gonna take a small trim right here. I'll hold my runners. I take a trim right there on 10% Tesla puts. I'm gonna hold my runners. Stop loss is right up above this candle right here. Let's see what happens right here. Still up 6% on my Tesla puts, runners. Going back up. Let's see what happens. Down 5% on the runners. Damn, ORB got my ass today. Fake me out right there. It's all good though. SPY going back up. Look like we chopping around, man. Chopping around. Chop session. Down 9% on the runner. Stop loss is above this counter right here. Yep. SPY and QQQ is in the range today. We just going up and down ORB. SPY looks like it want to break, but let's see. Up 3% on the Tesla runners, put runners. There we go. If we break down this counter, we're going to go crazy. Let's go. Let's see if SPY gets rejected again. SPY playing around. It's that chop session that you don't want to trade right here. It's that chop session. Fuck. All right, I'm out of Tesla runners. SPY want to break out now. So SPY goes up and retests. We'll take an entry. God damn, we got faked out today. Shit. It's all good. Going back up, wicking again. So SPY is breaking ORB right now. Let's see if we can go up and get a goddamn retest or something. Apple. AMD. All right, SPY. I'm gonna take a fill on SPY lightly. 586 calls. I'm in SPY calls. We just closed up above ORB. Let's see what happens. We get stopped out right here. I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I ain't even gonna cap to you. I'm gonna call it a day if we get stopped out. Ain't our day. If we get stopped out again, we retesting ORB. Let's see what happens. Stop loss is behind this counter right here. Yeah, I'm out of there. Damn, man. This is a ranging day, guys. Ranging day. Ranging mean we just gonna go up and down and chop around early. That's why my first entry is always light. If we push off, yeah, nothing is trending. Everything's still in range. SPY not giving a clear entry either. Yeah, we're not getting up above ORB. It's getting up above, but it's not holding. It's not pushing off. These are the days you don't trade. These are the days you don't trade or you go light. Just like that's why I take my first entry. I go light just to see if the market want to push off. I'll wait on the pullback and then I'll add more. That's why every time my first entry is light. Yeah, you gotta let this do what it want to do. Let it range, have it want to range. Nothing is breaking out right now. We got caught in the chop, but that's why you keep your stop loss lights. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Damn, we got faked out by Tesla. That shit looked like he was about to go too. It's all good though. If you know trading, if you've been trading for a while, you know trading comes with losses. Trading comes with losses. You got to take it or leave it. We had an all green week. These goddamn ORB don't break out. I won't be taking no trades. Chop fest, chop fest, chop fest. I guess all week AMD breaking out. All week I'm so used to. Soon as we break out that ORB, it go crazy. We've been doing that every day. Yeah, we choppity chop, man. Damn, you would think today was gonna be a goddamn real trendy day. End of the month. 0 DTE. Look, AMD just faked out. Went up a little bit, came back down, going back in the range. When you're sitting in this range, you don't want to take no trades. Yeah, all my entries was light. I'm down like $300 on the day. But I mean, y'all know what we've been doing all week. I'm cool with that though. I ain't sweating it. Trading comes with the days where you just sit on your hands and pass on the day. You're exactly right, Garbear. The best trade to take is no trade. We still trying to break out though. Look at this. If we break out on retest, I'm gonna definitely take the entry. But I don't even like this price action of the day, man. Let's see if it go up again and fake out again. Yeah, man. This week, no cap. This week been my biggest week of the year. My biggest week of the year. We hit them out the park this week. Today, they don't want to go our way, man. That's okay though. Like I said, we still got all of March. Let's see what happens right here. See if they get faked out again. Watch SPY push off now. Sitting right under that 200 moving average. Let me move to the 5 minute. I'm late as hell. 5 minute chart. Damn, dumb ass. Look at all these wicks right here. SPY just gonna chop around for a minute, man. You ain't really gonna get no push off the level. Look at the volume down here. Volume's real low. Like you started with a big green volume candle down here at the bottom, but it's getting lower and lower. That show you that we really don't have no strong momentum. AMD look like it want to break out a little bit. Yeah, man. We got no push off of no push. Look at the volume when we get past ORB. You want to see volume. We don't have no volume. AMD look like it got a little volume over here. All right, SPY. Now SPY wanna close up above. That's an entry right there if you want to take it. I just don't like the weak price action today. I'm gonna hold off. I don't like the weak price action today, man. We done went back and came back in ORB 2 or 3 times. No push off the level. How you know we very weak? All right, now we're coming in a little bit. That was a nice entry right there. If you wanted to get in right there, look like UPS. But we getting rejected again. See what it do. All right. Yeah, that's a nice little pullback. Got over open price. I mean ORB. You and UPS. Look at this shit. Now this would be a retest right here. Retest of the ORB. 10-12 on the clock. See if we go back up, go back into range. See how we didn't get past ORB with no volume. Now we pulling back. Exactly. This is a day you want to chill, let the market do its thing. It's just ranging. You don't want to get in none of this. You want to push off of these levels. We barely getting up above these levels. That's what you don't want to see. Where is my shit? Oh, okay. So it retested. Let's see if it breaks out. I like the AMD right there. IWM. God damn. That entry right there on IWM was at 10 o'clock. That's when you should have gotten that right there. Yeah, it looked like that was just burning contract this morning. I did take a little bit of that AMD, I ain't gonna lie, but it wasn't no kind of setup. Now SPY want to break out. Look at this. But yeah, man, like I said, you can take any entry off of the ORB. As soon as we get past, that was a nice pullback on SPY right there. Damn. $10:15 on the clock. Oh shit. We pulling back a little bit. We got AMD, NVIDIA, got up above ORB. Meta just not getting up there. So it looks like the bulls are in. So anything you see up above ORB, you can take the retest. We pulling back down. Let's see. Yeah, there's some choppy price action, man. That low volume, they got past ORB. AMD got pretty good volume over there. SPY does not. Look, going back up in the range. Yep, look at SPY dropping back down. AMD. Not a good day to trade, man. Not a good day to trade. 2. Some shitty price action. 10:17 on the clock. Damn, Tesla. Shit. Yeah, we was in Tesla over here. We was in Tesla over here. Got up above ORB. That's when I took my starter position. We closed. I added a little bit more, but we dropped down. See this shit right here? We got faked out by ORB, but it's all good. We know why we know we know why we got faked out. Next time we just want to get a more volume off of ORB. So next time we see ORB, we want our volume to be up here once we pass. See these candles right here? These volume, they're not even as big as the previous volume that passed that got us up there. You know what I'm saying? So when we pass the ORB, we want to have more volume. So that's what I'm gonna look for. That's what I'm gonna look for. You just gotta know why you win, know why you lose. I know I should have seen way more volume when I took that entry, but that's why I said I'm gonna go light. But it's all good. We had a stop loss of ORB. We broke back down and we got out of there. We ain't blow no account up. Took a small loss. We still got other days to trade. But yeah, that's how we took that loss on Tesla. I know y'all don't even like trading Tesla because they contracts be high as hell. Restradamus, he says, what is ORB? This is ORB right here. I'm about to show you. But I don't want to show you on this chart. I want to show you on a better chart. Give me 1 second. So ORB is nothing but the bottom and the top of a 15-minute candle. I go to the play that we hit yesterday. So yesterday, this was yesterday. This is what happened yesterday. Let me take everything off but the ORB. All right. The ORB is this pink level right here. That's the ORB. And all it is the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. So once we break the ORB, so once we enter a trade, we enter through, I enter from the 2-minute or the 5-minute. Depends on what time it is. If it's 9:30, between 9:30 and 10 a.m., I'm using the 2-minute chart. Yesterday, this is the ORB. So if you put the ORB on your chart, it's called open range breakout. So anything that gets under the open range breakout at the bottom or the top of it, you know it's going to be it could be possibly be a great trendy day that whichever way it breaks. So yesterday we came down, we pulled back right here on the ORB and we took the entry right here, right when we broke. Same thing I tried to just take, but we got faked out. Yesterday we got in push right here and we just continued down, just keeps trailing our stop. See what I'm saying? That's why I like to use the ORB. But that's what ORB is, just the open range breakout. It's the top and the bottom of a 15-minute candle. So when the market opens up, you want to wait 15 minutes. You want to wait 15 minutes and check those levels, see if we bouncing off those levels or if we're under or above it. And you want to wait for a pullback and take your entry. But yeah, that is what ORB. I hope I explained that to you. Oh yeah, you did. Okay. Yeah, man. It's all good though. We got all next week. March starts next week. Took one loss today. Well, shit, we got back in, but yeah, look at this AMD. That's a good fucking pullback right there. I ain't gonna take it though. Fuck. Look at this shit right here. Look at AMD. Yeah, we got called. It's all good. Yeah, range trading. That's all you is. Just waiting for the breakout. Exactly. I just used a 15-minute. But I use the range strategy along with pullback entries like this right here. This is a great entry. I would have took that entry, but I ain't taking that. I'm all right for right now. Damn. Tesla took off. But all right, guys, man, I'm gonna call it a day, man. You want to get in any of this? Make sure y'all manage your risk. Make sure you find a pullback. That's a great entry right there. But I'm gonna call it a day for the week. We still finished the week green. We took an L today, but the rest of the week we've had all green days all week. Some days we took more than one green trade. But we're gonna be back next week, Monday. Tesla. Damn, AMD. But yeah, we're gonna be back next week, Monday. Y'all have a great week. Have a great weekend. And it's your boy Clark, and I'm out of here.